Hey everybody, so this is just a quick video to address a problem you might have, which is an error F70 on a Whirlpool dryer. So if you're getting this error F70, it is going to be because your interface board cannot communicate with the main control board. So the first thing to do before you try to do anything fancy is, step one is just to try to reset everything. And to reset everything, we just want to come around back, unplug our dryer, let it sit for a full minute, then plug it back in, turn it back on, and try to use it and see if that has fixed the problem. And if that has not fixed the problem, then you can move on to the next step. So if that didn't fix it, you're probably going to need to call a technician to change the interface board, or to check the control board connectors, or to replace the main board if that doesn't work. But anyways, I hope just resetting the machine will fix your problem, and thanks for watching and have a great day.